In this video, we're going to look at some PyArrow temporal types in pandas. So let's start by downloading a dataset from the Chicago data portal that has date-time information. We'll load this into our pandas data frame in the typical fashion, and we're going to look at the measurement timestamp column. Now, if we look at the t-types of this data frame, it actually was inferred as a string from our CSV file. So we'll fix that by using the pd.toDatetime function to actually convert that into a timestamp. Which you may have used already by default in pandas. This works all right, so it can be used to extract components using the .dt accessor, like the date. Now this date comes back as an object type, not really another date time type, so it can't be chained further. You'll see if you try to use the DTA accessor again, it does not work. We could fix this by using the PyArrow extension type and do that by casting our data type to a PyArrow timestamp using the pd.arrowd type wrapper for that, and I've picked microsecond precision. You'll see here we now have a PyArrow timestamp, and this can be used in a chain fashion. We'll start by looking at the date again. Instead of giving us an object type back, gives us a date type, and that can be chained further to get the day of the week.